Rise and shine. Wait. I am so congested. My endangered butterfly awareness presentation is in 2 days. Oh no, this is not good. But no need to freak out. I know exactly what to make to get rid of this congestion in no time. I just need baking soda, Epsom salt or sea salt, water, essential oils, a bowl and spoon for mixing, and an ice tray. First, I'm taking 1 cup of baking soda, 1/3 cup of Epsom salt, and mixing it together in the bowl. Then I'm slowly adding a few drops of water at a time to the mixture and stirring it all together. I'm continuing to add water until the mixture is a wet sand texture and can be held together without crumbling. Now it's time for essential oils. I'm adding about 20 drops each and then stirring it into the mixture. I'm using tea tree and eucalyptus, but you can use whatever scents you'd like. Next, I'm packing the mixture into the molds of the ice tray to create the tablets. Once the ice tray is filled, I'm leaving it to dry for 24 hours. Once they've had time to dry, I'm popping them out of the ice tray, and as you can see, the tablets have formed nicely. Finally, I'm adding the tablets to a hot shower, and I can immediately feel the difference. This congestion will be gone in no time. If you liked this tutorial, there's so much more where that came from. Go to ehow.com and make sure you hit subscribe before you go. See you guys in the next video.